Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel. A leaking tap can be really wasteful, and it'll cost you money and higher water bills. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to fix a leaking tap by replacing the washer and, if needed, repairing the seat inside the tap. Let's get started. Tools and materials needed: adjustable spanner, wrench, screwdriver, tap reseating tool, hand drill, optional, replacement washers, cloth rag, bucket or towel, plumber's grease, optional. Step 1. Turn off water supply. First things first, always turn off the main water supply before working on a tap. Usually, you'll find the main shutoff valve at the front of your house. Go ahead and close it completely. Once that's done, turn on the tap to release any remaining water pressure. Step 2. Remove tap handle. Next, remove the handle of the tap. Depending on your tap type, you use your hand or a screwdriver or a spanner to loosen it. Take your time and keep the parts somewhere safe so you don't lose them. Step 3. Remove spindle and washer. Now, use a spanner to remove the spindle. Inside, you'll see the washer. If the washer is torn or worn out, that's usually the reason your tap is leaking. Replace it with a new washer of the same size. Step 4. Check and reseat the tap seat. Sometimes the leak isn't just from the washer. The tap seat itself can be worn, corroded, or uneven. That's where a reseating tool comes in handy. This tool lets you carefully grind the seat back to a smooth, flat surface so the washer can seal properly again. You can use a manual reseating tool, or for an easier job, use a drill-powered one. Step 5. Clean and reassemble. Before putting everything back, use your finger or a cloth to wipe away any dirt or brass shavings. Flush the tap briefly to clear debris. Then, fit the new washer, reinstall the spindle, and tighten it with a spanner, but don't over-tighten. Finally, reattach the tap handle. Step 6. Turn on water and test. Now, go back to the main valve and turn the water supply on. Test your tap. It should now open and close smoothly with no drips. And that's it. You've just fixed a leaking tap by replacing the washer and reseating the valve. This simple repair will save water, save money, and extend the life of your tap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next DIY plumbing tutorial.